Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome back to Shohel's English. This is our English speaking course Part-02. In this lesson, we will learn 30 more useful English sentences that can you use in your daily life. So, let's get started. আমি বাসায় আছি. I am at home. Repeat after me. I am at home. আমি বাইরে আছি. I am outside. Repeat after me. I am outside. আমি কাজে যাচ্ছি. I am going to work. Repeat after me. I am going to work. আমি এখন ব্যস্ত. I am busy now. Repeat after me. I am busy now. আমি পরে ফোন করব. I will call you later. Repeat after me. I will call you later. আমি তোমার সাথে একমত. I agree with you. Repeat after me. I agree with you. আমি তোমার সাথে একমত নই. I don't agree with you. Repeat after me. I don't agree with you. তুমি ঠিক বলেছো. You are right. Repeat after me. You are right. এটা দারুণ. That's great. Repeat after me. That's great. আমি ক্ষুধার্ত. I am hungry. Repeat after me. I am hungry. আমি তৃষ্ণার্ত. I am thirsty. Repeat after me. I am thirsty. চলুন খাই. Let's eat. Repeat after me. Let's eat. আমি প্রস্তুত নই. I am not ready. Repeat after me. I am not ready. আমার একটু সময় দরকার. I need some time. Repeat after me. I need some time. আমি এটা পছন্দ করি. I like it. Repeat after me. I like it. আমি এটা পছন্দ করি না. I don't like it. Repeat after me. I don't like it. আমি নিশ্চিত নই. I'm not sure. Repeat after me. I'm not sure. চিন্তা করো না. Don't worry. Repeat after me. Don't worry. সবকিছু ঠিক আছে. Everything is okay. Repeat after me. Everything is okay. তুমি কোথায় থাকো? Where do you live? Repeat after me. Where do you live? আমি ঢাকায় থাকি. I live in Dhaka. Repeat after me. I live in Dhaka. তুমি কি করো? What do you do? Repeat after me. What do you do? আমি একজন ছাত্র. I am a student. Repeat after me. I am a student. আমি একজন শিক্ষক. I am a teacher. Repeat after me. I am a teacher. আজ আবহাওয়া সুন্দর. The weather is nice today. Repeat after me. The weather is nice today. আজ খুব গরম. It's very hot today. Repeat after me. It's very hot today. আজ খুব ঠান্ডা. It's very cold today. Repeat after me. It's very cold today. আবার দেখা হবে. See you again. Repeat after me. See you again. ভালো থাকবেন. Take care. Repeat after me. Take care. Great. Today we learned 30 more useful English sentences. Practice these sentences every day to improve your speaking skill. Thanks for watching.